taco review time. So we are, where the hell is this place at? See, you know what, this is why I do the reviews in the car. I don't know if you could pick up on all of this wind. We're in the valley in California. It is the windiest place known to mankind. I don't even understand, but we are at 20901 Sherman Way, Canoga Park, California, 91303. What is it? El Gallo Giro? El Gallo, I don't even know. Okay, so this is the place, bam, El Gallo Giro. So see, whenever you go to the Mexican food places, this is where you go ahead and, I mean, I don't know about the plastic bag. I always tell them, you know what, let's adjust this guy for you so you kind of see what is going on here. So, you kind of get this adjusted. You have, I got a salt packet because honestly, I've been blanking out lately. Everything has been under season and I'm just not having a good luck. I swear to God, before I did these reviews, I would go to taco places and it would just be like the best thing known to mankind. And now I go to taco places and I'm like, what in the hell is going on here? These places. That was a V6 Mustang doing that. If you have a V6 Mustang, if you have a 6-cylinder anything, unless it's like a Super or something, don't do that. Don't do that. Or BMW guys, but I'm not mad at this one. So, you know what? It was in the plastic bag for too long. So here's the little guy right there. It was in the plastic bag for a little bit too long. So everybody knows the rules, okay? The reason why I say it was in the plastic for a little bit too long, I don't even know why you put it in plastic. It doesn't even make sense. Why would you put it in plastic? Because then the tortilla gets a little soggy and then it just doesn't help the damn review out. You could have one of the best tacos out there and you wouldn't even know because, you see this? You see this? It's freaking annoying, this stupid wind. Whatever. Carne is not a taco. El Gallo Giro. See, and then I don't understand the lemons. Like they wrap all of this stuff like you're trying to not impregnate this taco. This is like the contraceptive of, like, what are you trying to do? Well, at least we got the radishes. At least I got that hooked up. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. This one definitely needed the salt. I don't even know what I did with the salt. Second bite with the hot sauce. This is too much. I can't do this one. It's terrible. It's greasy. The tortilla is like the thickest thing I've ever had in my life. What a waste. El Gallo Giro, not good. We're gonna go ahead and give that a 0.04. Oh man, that was not good at all. Well, for up to 50% commission rebate. I swear to God, I had high hopes for this place. They were grilling their carne asada. I was like, oh my God, this is gonna have a great taste to it. This is gonna be awesome. This was a greasy, hot mess. This is like your prom date after the first night of getting drunk. God dang it. I don't even care about pitching my mortgage company anymore. That's how upset I am. Next review.